Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your default browser to Google Chrome. So let's get started. I start by opening the Windows settings. In the Windows settings, navigate to the App section. Within the App section, you will see default apps in the left sidebar. Click on it. Scroll down in the default app section until you find the web browser category. Under web browser, you will see the name of your current default browser. Click on it. A list of installed browsers will appear. Select Google Chrome from the list. A confirmation dialog may appear, asking if you want to change your default web browser to Google Chrome. Confirm the change by clicking Choose Anyway. And there you have it. Google Chrome is now your default browser. Thanks for watching our videos. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.